Did you know that nearly 43% of Americans categorize themselves as disorganized? Additionally, almost 21% have missed vital work deadlines. And as much as half say that disorganization causes them to work late at least twice per week. Regardless of who you are, I think it's safe to say that most of us could use a bit of improvement in the time management department. Whether it's that you feel like you don't have control over time, or maybe you just can't seem to keep track of all the things you need to do in a day. Being able to manage your time better can be the difference between stress-free and stressful. Now, what if you could not only give people some insight towards time management, but also use the insight to generate traffic to any website, URL, or location you want? How about if all the hard work was done for you and all you had to do was click a button? Well, now you can. Introducing the 100 Time Management Social Poster Images package. This awesome graphics package contains 100 high-quality social poster quote images based around different time management quotes and sayings. Better yet, you receive the editable PSD source files for every single one of these images. You can add your name, logo, brand, URL, or anything else, and then post them anywhere you'd like. People will see your social posters and feel compelled to share them on their pages, and etc. This in turn will create a viral downhill snowball effect and create tons of traffic for you. It really doesn't get any easier than that. Just check out all of the social poster images and details on the page below.